Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders!
Let's see what's inside. The Great Big Book of Curiosity?
Whoa! What a curious kind of treasure.
Huh?
Yeah!
Whee!
Yay!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Meekah, Debo, and Tabs. I wonder, who were they?
We better go find out.
Hey, Blippi! Meekah! Over here! Can you help us?
We'd love to help.
The name's Boom. We're looking for something that we need, but we can't remember what it's called.
And I'm Benjamin. The thing we need is kind of shaped like this, but with a less bouncy stick. Whoa! Whoa!
Boom's away! And it's frozen, like this.
I'll get you out, Debo.
Looks like you gotta shake it up.
Oh, yeah. Shake it up. Whoa.
Purple. No. Yellow. No. Oh, hi, Blippi and Meekah. I'm Barry. Can you help me find something?
Sure. We would love to help.
It's usually red,
Red. Got it.
but it can also be purple, or orange, green, or every color.
Whoa! What's that? Hey!
Hello! I'm Blue. I need the yummy for my tummy.
You're looking for something that tastes good.
It's a yummy and makes me feel happy inside. Oh no! Hugs?
What's that?
No, it's not that. Not that either. Was it Boomsicle?
Whoa!
Oh, yay! Blippi and Meekah, I'm Babble. Can you help me find this word? Let's sound it out. Something sickle?
Tricycle?
Bicycle?
Whimsical?
Good idea, Tabs. Let's review our notes. It's rectangular and has a stick. It's frozen. It could be any color. It makes you feel happy. And it sounds like something sickle.
This is tricky.
Popsicles!
You were looking for popsicles.
Yeah!
Hey, who are you all?
Boom!
Benjamin.
Barry.
Blue.
Babble! And we are the Curiosity Crew.
Wow! I got the answer to my question. Who were they? They are my new friends, the Curiosity Crew. Upload answer, Debo.